Australian chef. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make a prawn cocktail that you might want to use for your guests on Christmas Day or any other celebration. Now I'm not going to do it in a glass, I'm going to do it in a cup made of Filo pastry. As you can see, I've got 4 sheets of Filo pastry, and you've got to be very carefully and work with this very quickly because it dries out. So I'm going to cut the Filo evenly. We're not going to get complete squares out of it, so we're going to try and do it in rectangles. And it breaks up very, very easily. So I'm going to put that on the side and work with it on a piece of baking paper. First of all, I'm going to spray a tray where we're going to sit them in. So I'm going to just spray lightly. I've sprayed 6, but we are probably only going to be making 3 or 4. So we have to have our sheets of Filo pastry, 4 sheets approximately the same size, and 50 grams of melted butter, and we're going to brush each layer of Filo. And put it on top, then brush again. And once again. Okay, now I've done 4 layers of Filo pastry, and we're going to fold that now into our trays. We're going to press down and we're going to mould it into a shape that will form a basket. And if you need to, add a little bit more butter just to the edge. There you go. As you can see with these ones, I've pushed them into their moulds, and I haven't got them directly touching each other, which gives them a better chance to cook. As you can see, 3 perfect little baskets. Now we're going to put that in the oven at 180 degrees for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, or until they're brown. These are the Filo cups I made previously. As you can see, they're like a beautiful cup shape, nice and crispy, ready to eat. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what we put in this. On my previous video, I showed people how to make mayonnaise, homemade mayonnaise. So we're going to use some of that mayonnaise, probably about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise there, and we're going to put a little bit of chilli sauce in, or sweet chilli sauce. If you want to, you can use Tabasco, but I don't like it too hot. And about a teaspoon of tomato sauce. There we go, beautiful. This is a basic cocktail sauce. Can be used for any seafood. Now to show you how we're going to fill them, I'm going to put a little bit of lettuce in the bottom of the cup. Doesn't matter what sort of lettuce you use. I've used iceberg, but chop it up quite finely. Now as you can see, I've got some good old Aussie prawns here. These have been cooked and peeled. These are just like a small tiger prawn. And we're going to lay the prawns around in the cup with the tails hanging off. And it's up to you how many prawns you give people, but I've put 5 in there because this is an entree. Now we're going to drizzle a little bit of cocktail sauce onto each prawn. And for effect, I'm going to put a whole prawn on just as a garnish. And for a little bit of colour, I'm just going to put a lemon on each one. There you go, prawn cocktails with a twist. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, please leave a comment below and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click the bell so you'll get notification of any new videos I make. Have a go.